Happy Saturday, weekly update on the Nasdaq Composite. I got a weekly chart. I'm showing that we're approaching the weekly resistance like we said. We've had 3 up weeks in the worst month of September, and they outdid it. Now, when we take a look at the daily rally versus the weekly, right here, we can see the weekly 2-day reversal testing the 10-day. We have a lot more coming down. It's been a ferocious bull in the month of September. That is usually the most bearish month. October could take its place, I can tell you. We have a lot of new site updates coming out on October 1. We encourage you to get invested, long or short. We encourage you. The Nasdaq Composite does show a 3-week up move with a 2-week reversal. It's on our program. You can bet that it goes lower or you can bet that it goes higher. But one thing that you can face here is the bull run with the 2-day reversal. Welcome to Turbo Option Trading. Welcome. Buy now, pay later. You know you're not invested. You don't have the money. You don't have the credit, but you do now. All you got to do is want it.